This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Good morning. Gold. Gold's the big story again today. If you know how to trade gold, you are killing it. You're making your month. Maybe you're making your quarter. The volatility is insane in gold now. What do we got? I got to look at gold. We got to look at gold. Got a 1 minute ATR. The ATR in the 1 minute chart. It's 3.5 points. Still got $3.50 on every 1 minute candle. On the daily, we're up to 150 points on the average range. Average range of the daily candles, 150 points. Can't ignore it. Can't ignore it. Gotta have it on my charts. It's not on my charts here, but it is on my charts there. You don't get to see it. I don't want to clog the charts up, but you understand, I gotta have it up. I gotta have it up. So I'm watching gold. I will be taking trades in gold. I got Bulenox up. That's what you see over here, my Bulenox accounts. And I'm going to have to copy trade today. I'm going to set a leader account, and I'm going to go perfect. So we're going to copy trade to 5 accounts. 5 accounts, save changes. Leaders. Locked and loaded. Size is going to be small in the beginning because this is a new amount for me. 5 accounts. I want to get to all the accounts, but I trust it. I trust the trade copier. I trust the trade copier, number 1. Number 2, I got to be careful. I don't want to make a mistake and get myself too much in the hole on 5 accounts. So one account. Then we're also watching, and we got the Apex account. Okay. What if I click on this? Okay, easy to switch. NQ, gold, join bid. Ready to go. So, I'm all set up. Let's take a quick look at what we got, what happened overnight. Five minute, 30 minute tells an interesting story. We definitely took out the Asia session highs at 4 in the morning. Traded below VWAP, below previous day's close, and took out Asia session lows at 9 a.m. Pretty much right over here. So I'm going to paying attention to this because there is an 80% chance we are going back up to 25,114. Let's mark that off. Let's put that on the horizontal line, 25,114. There we go. That's approximate. And let's get some text out. 80% probability to be touched. %to be touched. That's good enough. Move away. I don't need you. Let's get that a little bit larger. Let's make it 20 because it's important. So let's take a look. We'll have it up there. 80% is 80%. I want to be aware of this. Okay, so now we're trading lower. Gold, 30-minute. If only they had marked the end of day session. That would be good. $16, pound. Can I make it dash? Perfect, at least. At least. There we go. There's the 2 days. We'll keep those lines in. So the only thing I want to put on here, not my favorite indicator, but I want to put up fractals because I want to catch the swings. I want to see what we're doing on the 30-minute on the swings. We did start taking out the higher swings here, making higher highs, but we're breaking lower again on the 30-minute. We got the data problem, that data gap. That's about a whole day over there. Oh, you guys don't see it. Sorry. Yeah, no, I can't put it up. Will you just get the 4 charts for now? You got to be happy with that. $9.09. Pre-market analysis done. Early. Gold opened at 9. Nice little pump on gold. I need to be aware of that. I do have an alarm, but I need to be aware of it. Let me see if I can get in here. Order MGC. 5. Long at 50. Come on, come down. 50. Hasn't hit target yet. Hit target. Okay, I missed it. Maybe even at this volatility. 1.5 is too low. I mean, 1 is 0.1's too low. Oh, that's not a good color. You don't want to be using hot pink. I can tell you that much. Plum? Still very strong. Pale violet red. I need a color. Eesh. Eesh. Let's get into the blues. Deep sky blue. That should work for me. There we go. And we're going to just change status series. Go to color of white. There we go. Open it up. Ooh, no, it's not good. Data series. Up bars. White. Apply. Okay. And properties. Still need a good color. Deep sky blue. I didn't pick deep sky blue. Light sky blue. There we go. Let's make it $1.50. I think $1 is going to be a little too quick. I had problems with $1. Order filled. I could have gotten a better price on this, but I'm in the middle of the bar. That's good. This will be my first test trade. If I can get in at 48.7, I'll add. I'm long at 49.7. If I see 51, I saw 51. It goes so fast. 50s, 49, 50s, moving back from join the bid, join the ask. Oh, I was almost thinking to get out. Okay, let's just put in an offer over there. Just for the first trade and just see. Come on, take me out. Almost so close. Okay, I'm going to add here if I can. I got a buy and I got an offer. I think my buy didn't get filled either. There, order filled. I'm over 50. Order filled. Let's fill me on the next one. Come on, get up there. It's not too hard. I'm closing position just for the first one, $16. How do I check my accounts? 1652, 2552. That's another account I traded separately. 1652, 1652. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's just as good as I always wanted it to be. Whew. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. How do I get back? I know it's somewhere. There it is. I should light it up so I can see. Okay, we're back on my charts. Excellent. Good job. And it went up to 52. I could have taken even more. I got out at 50.5.
Good morning.
Good morning. What do we got? Hey, look who it is. We got a real guy. Hold on. I got to change my camera. Sources. Then you get to wave to our huge audience. Hold on. Fake Omnius is gone. Oh, you're a little off. Okay, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Are you back on your computer?
I'm trying to be.
Trying to be. Okay, trying to be is good.
We're going to do a test run.
Who got you all fixed up?
What's that?
Who got you all fixed up?
It's been a process, one step at a time. It's been a battle.
Yeah, I like the markets. Markets are a battle.
I was putting up a good fight. Good? You like it? I like it. Good. Every time I look to the side to look, that I'm looking to the side.
It's true. No, it's good. It's centered. It's centered. It's centered. It's good. Put it on your
All
phone.
right.
You'll see.
I see it.
Okay, I don't want this.
Do I need a different background?
Why?
You like it? I like it.
Because the Omnius is cut out. I'm on squares now, so it's always going to be cut out. It's either going to be cut out or it's going to be blocked by your head.
It's fun. That's got a big name right there, man. That works even better.
I got an L and a letter and the letters IN. Are you streaming?
Not today.
No, not today.
I think today is going to be the test run for the computer. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm doing a test run on copy trading to 5 accounts. So 6 accounts trading. And I'm going to be taking 1 lots and trading kind of carefully. Oh, I just missed
Plus, I got an appointment today, so.
Oh, it's today. I thought it was tomorrow.
Today's Thursday, isn't it?
It is?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what my calendar says. Yeah, I
Sounds
just
good.
I gotta get out by 11:30ish.
Well, 11:30 is good. It's a good time for me to get out also.
Man, what a battle yesterday, man. I installed and deleted NinjaTrader probably 30 times.
No kidding.
Literally worked on it for 10 hours yesterday. Just NinjaTrader. 10 hours of just NinjaTrader.
Yeah. So, everybody, we now have a resident expert of NinjaTrader. Ask your NinjaTrader questions to Omnius Trades. He just ran through every feature they have.
Oh, man. So I had something corrupt in my files.
Yeah.
And every time I try to reinstall it, every time that corrupt file gets back in there, there's really no way to go backwards. So it's like, okay, delete, start the whole process over from step 1. Then you got to delete it. You got to restart the computer. What a nightmare, man.
That's so funny because I swear to God, it sounds like exactly what happened to me with the TikTok live stream. I had an audio AI file that was corrupted. And every time I tried to load it, it would hang and freeze.
Yeah.
And I spent about, I told you, I spent about 2 hours, 3 hours at night and then a couple hours in the morning to get it going. Finally, GPT was able to isolate the file. We had to go into the PowerShell and the error logs and see what was going on. Thank God GPT knows how to do that. And we found the corrupted file, and you just change the extension to BAK because you don't need it. The file doesn't need it to run. It was like an extra, I won't say an add-on, but I don't need artificial intelligence monitoring my voice.
Crazy because, like, with something like TradingView, it's just there. Like, I get on my laptop and just log in, and it's there, everything, right? Just the way you want it. With NinjaTrader, you have to, everything's gone. Like, how do you get it back? But after 10 hours of battling, I got to a pretty good spot. Still missing some of my indicators.
Okay. But it feels good to be back, right? Feels good to have it back.
The test run. So I was telling you that the issue with it going into this safe mode, but then my mouse wouldn't work. So I'm still running into an issue of my mouse freezing.
Yeah.
And I don't know what to do about it. I deleted all the drivers and everything associated with the mouse, reinstalled everything. Still doing it. I don't know if it'll just work itself out or what. I don't know. The good news is I have a wired mouse. And hopefully if this one freezes and I'm in the middle of a trade, hopefully I can grab the wired mouse and get out the trade.
Yeah. Well,
Better Better try that out real quick. Yeah, seems to
Make
work.
sure you got
Weird
stop
wire.
losses in your
Yeah.
orders.
Weird trying to work with a wired mouse. Like
Yeah.
moves on its own. The wire pulls it. Like I'm back in the 90s. Some people won't trade with a wireless mouse. I mean, some people say you have to use a wired mouse.
I'm on a wired mouse.
Really?
Only because I love the way it clicks. But if you listen carefully, I'll tell you how many times I'm in a bad trade or I'm in too much because the click is really sensitive. So you just touch it. You put your finger on it and it clicks. I like it though. I don't know.
And once again, I had to reset up my my range bot. So kind of hoping I got it somewhat close to where it should be. We'll see. So try that out today. See if my mouse freezes. Only thing I found so far to do about it is like restart the computer.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is the wired mouse going to work? Is it not going to work? How do I fix the issue? Probably be next on my things to do to get with GPT to help me fix it.
You have any morning analysis for me this morning? All I got is 80% to be touched, 25,114, based on taking out the Asia session high and then taking out the Asia session low.
One day I'm going to learn all that stuff. All sounds like Spanish to me. I need a crash course in Asia session. What was I looking at? I was looking at something a little bit earlier. Oh, we're creating the, on the hourly. We're creating the H pattern, looks like. So here's my thoughts. I think the market loves to dump from this area on a Friday. So I think if we don't dump today, we push up. I think tomorrow we might dump.
Tomorrow's a dump day, yeah, which would make sense. Let's get up to 25,114. Let's push up to 25,200, where I see it kind of acted as support, so maybe it's going to act as resistance now. I'm not a big fan of turning support into resistance. You all know that. I've said that many times, but it is there. I know people are looking at it.
Skeletor, good morning.
Good morning, Skeletor. I will be taking trades in both directions, but my bias is to get to that 25,114. 80% probability at some point in the day.
We're kind of in the middle right now, so I think whatever today does probably determines tomorrow. If we drop down, then we see in the past here on this previous Friday, we had this large push up from the bottom. And we see the Friday before that, we had this large dump from the top. So I think if we go up, tomorrow we go down. If we go down, tomorrow we go up. As long as it's a good move. I'm not talking about like a sideways or a small move. I'm talking about like a bigger move.
I don't know if you'll get anything out of it. If you've ever seen this guy called Stacy Burke. Stacy Burke Trading. B-U-R-K-E.
Never heard of
her. It's true. It could be. It could be. He talks a lot about 3-day cycles. 1, 2, 3, reset, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, reset. Like he pumps that in his videos. Okay, we're Friday, the 1, 2, 3, reset, reverse, take the trade. I can't get anything out of what he says, but he works very hard on that, and he seems to claim his entries are pretty solid. But
I need that video where the guy talks about the days. I told you about it before, and you're like, oh, yeah, I've seen that.
Well, that's
where the guy's like, what is it? If Thursday doesn't break Wednesday's high, then Friday goes down?
You're talking Tom Hugart has a lot of that. Those are interesting. Those are interesting statistics. Yeah.
What is it, if Tuesday doesn't break Monday's high, then Wednesday goes down or something?
Got a couple of those. I don't know what they are.
I like that kind of stuff, but it's hard to remember. I need like a cheat sheet on it.
Yeah, you write it down. You put it in a little file. Create an Excel file.
Yeah, give me the video. I'll give it the GPT, get it translated.
You know what? Maybe if I remember today after you leave at 11:30, I got a little work to do on my coding. Every time you come up with a suggestion, you come up with a suggestion that's so difficult to do.
Got all my stuff in a shoebox. Wife was looking for something the other day. I'm like, it's in the shoebox. She's like, why am I looking in a shoebox? I'm like, I don't know. She's like, why is all your shit in a shoebox? I'm like,
can you see?
How am I supposed to do anything? I got all this stuff on my desk. Look, hold on. Let me get my ball.
To let you guys know,
if you get my balls out.
If ever you're going to be hired by Omnius and he puts you into your office, he's going to tell you, and there's your shoebox for filing. I don't get a filing cabinet? Nope. You get a shoebox. If it's good for me, it's good for you. I'm getting my balls out also. Me too. It's time to take
my hourglass. Gotta have my hourglass.
Yeah, hourglass. Okay. Clicker. We got everything.
I got a clicker.
I got on my desk.
I got a popper. Will that work?
Sure. I think markets are opening in 2 minutes.
I gotta watch this trade. All right. This is the one that fucked me up the other day. Why? Yeah, tell me why.
Tell me why. I am long.
I can't record
done for the day.
All right, let's go home.
Done for the day. No, I just wanted to say that once before Skeletor. One time I want to say it before Skeletor.
Gotta move my balls out of the way. I might need that mouse.
Yeah, where are my balls? Here, my balls. Yeah, I'm working balls too. I'm working the balls.
Am I supposed to see what happens if I'm not recording my screen?
Run out of time. Hide marks on bars.
I got 2 minutes. Can I get Prism open?
So
order submitted already? What the fuck?
Ooh, guys.
Oh man. All right, get out. I don't need you.
What am I looking for? Come on, fast. Hurry up. We're running out of time. Let's go.
Is this moving? Am I froze? What's going on? Why am I in this trade?
I hope this works. There it does. 9:29 with 30 seconds left to go. I'm ready to go. I'm going to start off with my daytraders.com account. I'll be back trading next Monday, just here for the Omnius and... okay. Well, that's why I was able to beat you with the done for the day.
Hopefully I'll be back Monday streaming.
Markets are opened.
God, why'd y'all do this to me?
1 lot. Let's go to a 2 lot. Order filled. I just bought the wrong thing. Join the ads.
Order. Get in.
Come on.
Have a lagger.
Please, get me out. I'm in the wrong trade.
This one got a lagger too? I got 2 laggers.
Filled. Perfect. I don't know what a lagger is. Doesn't sound like a good thing, though.
For some reason, it's not canceling all orders. Cancel all orders.
Cancel all orders. Chased. Let me get out.
All right. The trade was a success.
Just give me a chance to get out.
I didn't realize that it got in before the market opened.
Just give me a chance to get out. Okay, I'm up $2. I'm lucky. I had an error. I bought on the wrong contract. I bought the wrong contract because I'm working 2 tabs.
I'm up 50 and 150.
I am motherfucker. Already?
What?
Motherfucker. Already? That's my best Greek accent. Motherfucker.
Oh man, what a day yesterday. You trading yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Man,
are you kidding me? I got up at 7 to go to the doctor. They
were giving money away.
Yeah, no. You know what time I came back? 3:30.
I couldn't even stop them, man. It's a 2 lot.
Do you know how furious I was yesterday? Remember,
you know how many trades I had to take yesterday on a 2 lot?
He doesn't care about my woes.
I'm trying to tell you about my trading day yesterday.
I had woes.
All right, tell us about your woes. Then I'll tell you about my trading. Although I
said I
started
got up at
first, you
7
cut me
o'clock.
off.
I'm not sure who cut who off. Let's take a poll. I got up at 7. I came back at 3:30 from my doctor. No, I did not trade yesterday. Go. That's my woes.
Maybe that's how it started. I was like, "Did you trade yesterday?" And
That's
you're like,
exactly how it started.
like the guy asked me a question. Now he won't let me answer.
I'm done. It's good. We're good.
Now I was taking the opportunity yesterday with not streaming or anything. I wanted to try some new things with trading, and I actually started off really bad. I like started the day off and it was like loser. It's like, fuck, man, what a day this is, right? And then just kind of turned around, got a large trade. Actually had like 3 losers and got it all back in one trade.
Wow, good job.
And then trading 2 lots, man.
Yep.
And from there it was on, man. It was just trade after trade after trade. I was like, stop it.
I swear to God, I pulled my phone out and it's still ringing. This house is haunted.
Trying to go more with
funny.
more with the higher time frame, 15-minute. But I got screwed up in the morning because I was looking for a reversal. You know, I can't do a reversal to save my life.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with that. I'm done.
It's funny, somehow I got on one of your live streams last night.
Yeah, I saw the comment.
And it was funny because just so happened like the spot that I clicked, so I like click forward, right? And the spot that I click, you're there. I guess your son's next to you.
Yeah, the good old days.
You had a wood chip on the phone, or however you had him.
Yeah.
I'm not wood chip. Wood chip don't care. He trade laying down on his couch or something.
Okay, that was a nice run.
Became a dad. Shows me there. Weird.
Don't forget, it's not on my charts now because I changed to daytraders.com. But, oh, wait a minute. I know what we can do. We can just do that. So if we want to see the 5-minute charts, remember 80% to be touched. You got it over there. This is Bulenox, but this is daytraders.com.
Camera again. I don't know what happened to the camera. It was there. It just wouldn't show up on Discord. I was talking about your video.
Okay.
Yeah, I clicked to another spot in the video, and you're like, "That's it. I'm done. I'm not taking reversals anymore. No more counter trend trading. From now on, it's nothing but trend trading." I was like, "This is great." It was like 9 months ago. I was like 9 months ago, and the conversation is still the same.
Yeah, how long does it take to learn a lesson? It's true. I want to talk to Bama. I want to do that thing with him. Just me and him. Not 4 people. You know what? It's too many 4 people. It's too hard to get organized.
Well, I think Mike Stunts was interested in it also. Well,
Mike Stunts doesn't need it.
Other Stunts or
Mike Stunts would have been contributing a lot. And Butter Stunts said he can't make it. So it's going to be very difficult.
I can't remember
I think
who all was what.
I think for him it's work.
Okay, so I started the day off. Back to this. I keep jumping subjects, don't I?
Butter Stunts. Hey, we're back in business. We are. I didn't get filled on my thing. On my gold. You know
Good to see your hairy face. Oh man, I trimmed it a little bit. Can you tell?
Yeah, I see more gray on the bottom. Look at you uncovered the gray.
I was like, man, it's only October and we still got like 4 months to go till winter time.
Guys, you can't see it because of the lights, but look, I got hair on my face too. See? It's just gray. It doesn't show because it's gray. But there is hair on my face.
Blends into the white t-shirt.
I'll leave it here in the close-up.
That's great.
Okay, so what do I want? Up here, 5 minute. Do I want to track the gold on the 5 minute? It's kind of important. I need 3 charts.
Anyway, I started the day off with the reversal trade, but it was going with the 15-minute. So I got to figure out a better way to catch that reversal. But then the rest of the day, I was just, once I caught it, like I said, that first winning trade took out the 3 losers before it.
Losers, yeah.
It was a huge trade. I was watching it on the 15-minute, and I was like, I had my 20-point take profit, and I was like, no, let's just pull that down. We're already in the 30s and 40s. Oh, shit, mine says 59. This is winter time. You're right. Man, this has been the coldest. This must be the coldest day of the year.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go.
In Florida, I think 30 is like that one day a year. We need more days in the 30s to kill off the mosquitoes.
Does it work?
Does what work?
30 degrees kills the mosquitoes.
I think so. If we have a winter where it like don't go below 50, then the next summer is like horrible with bugs.
Yeah, I have to get up my my conversion calculator because I don't know what 30s and 40s is. If I knew what 30s and 40s is, I can compare.
30, what is it? 33's freeze, right?
Is it? That's our 0 then.
Yeah. We get in the 30s in Florida and everybody's acting weird.
Mm-hmm.
Funny because we get hurricanes and everyone's like, yeah, it's going to rain a little bit. What's the big deal? We get like phone calls from friends out of state. You okay? There's a hurricane coming your way. I was like, yeah. It ain't never rained where you live. We get 30-degree weather. Everybody's freaking out. Like, what do we do?
Yeah.
We got to cover our pipes. How do we do that? Watching YouTube videos on how to cover our pipes.
You do? We have a winter process. We got to do that all the time. Let's mark in 25,114 up here. Let's get a line in.
People be like,
line.
People be like, it's 35 tomorrow morning. Make sure you let your car run for 5 minutes. You gotta let your car run. Why you gotta let your car run?
On my other screen, 80% to be touched, 25,114. Just pointing that out.
What do you point out? 85,000?
25,114. 80%. 80% probability to be touched. Oh yeah, I was saying, yeah, we have a winter process. We got to close our water for the outside so the pipes don't bust and all that stuff, all that good stuff.
Yeah, we don't know nothing about that.
Okay, getting the chart set up properly because I do want to check out my 5-minute chart. I do like to watch the 5-minute chart on NQ and on ES.
Man, you got all kinds of charts, don't you?
Well, no, I'm just setting it up to give myself a little bit more of a bird's eye view and a little bit more information. So, you know what? You can't save settings. It's really terrible on this thing. You can only save your default layout. It's very annoying. Very annoying. Anyways, it is what it is. You work with what you have.
You should be able to have a workspace save.
As far as I know, on this version, it's only default layout. We kind of looked.
Really? Because in TradingView, you can save your workspace.
Yeah, I know. Not only that, you can go into your indicators and save your indicator layout. So for a certain indicator, not default, not just one indicator, all the indicators on that chart, which is kind of like a chart layout, but you can't do it here.
Hey, listen, talking about that, I don't know who needs to hear this, but you can back up your NinjaTrader.
Yeah.
And we don't ever do it, but it's quick and it's easy and you can do it.
No
and you probably should.
Yep. I told you he's the man. He's the man. He's the go-to man now.
For anybody interested, you go to the, what do you call that main screen, Mike?
The control panel, maybe?
Control panel, yeah. Click on Tools, scroll down, and you'll see the where it says Export, and just click Backup Files. That's going to back up your NinjaTrader. And then when it goes crazy, you can do it in reverse and bring it back.
Yeah.
Unless you got corrupt files, then you got to go into the files one by one and transfer them over. And that took me 10 hours yesterday.
30 high, offset 1. Same as default. Okay. 30 low, offset 1. Okay. There we go. Missed the trade. Join. Shit, wrong again. Get out. I love making mistakes and making money.
Yep.
You see, the problem again with this platform is if you click on the chart, it doesn't change the symbol in your order panel. That's an error. It should change your symbol in your order panel. I have to keep remembering to change my my order panel. But thankfully, gold and NQ are running.
Order field. That was it.
I keep making mistakes, and I keep getting paid.
Somebody's still in the trade. Oh man, are you gonna give me a take profit? What the fuck? Okay. I accidentally made like an extra 12 points. What is going on? I gotta figure out what's going on. Took the trade, but wouldn't give me a take profit or stop loss. Glad it was going in my direction.
Okay, so if we have it all right the way we should, gold, 1 minute on the top chart. Gold, bottom left, Heiken SE. 1 minute, 1 minute Heiken SEs for gold and NQ on the top. Rankos for gold and NQ on the bottom. I think that's simpler.
That's funny.
Simpler
you was just talking about accidentally making more money by mistake. And it took the trade. It was supposed to make 12 points. It made like 20. I gotta get back with DeepSeek though. I gotta find out what's going on with the orders.
Funny you said that.
Hoping to see some weakness here.
Because I was struggling a little bit with the code, trying to do those updates or changes that you mentioned. I actually tried DeepSeek. I didn't get better results, unfortunately. It was pretty much the same thing. That's okay.
I will say I do think that they maybe upgraded Chat GPT. Like maybe it was kind of broken there for a little bit, but I was I had it on voice chat the other day working on the computer.
Yeah, so much better.
And I was doing voice chat with it for God hours.
Yep.
Man, before I told you, I asked like 3 questions and that's it. I was on with it with the computer for hours, man. I was like, great, this thing's got me doing all kinds of stuff. I don't even know what we're doing. We're changing computer settings. And then it's gonna like
cut you
it's
off.
gonna time out on me.
25,114, cutting you off. Got hit.
Got
it. 80% to be touched. I called it pre-market. There it is.
Good call.
Okay, go back on. 8 hours. ChatGPT. Chat. Sorry.
I was on it forever, man. All kinds of. We're like deep in the computer, working on all kinds of stuff. I'm like, man, this thing's gonna time out, and I ain't gonna know what to do. But yeah, man, it did pretty good. I told you I finally got it on like the last question.
Okay.
It's like you had timed out, and I was like, oh man. And then that's when I actually got the computer to work. It was telling me to put in commands, but it wasn't telling me the spaces right. So I had like ask it every time. I'm like, look, you have to break it down to the spaces. Like, where are the spaces? Yeah, basically I had to go in and tell my computer how to be a computer again. Manually.
Something really fucking weird just happened.
Uh-oh. Did we make money?
We're going to have to call Bulenox.
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my accounts went from active to ineligible in the last half an hour with 0 P&L, no trades. And I'm actually trading one of them that's ineligible. I don't even get it. And anyways, we'll have to contact them, see what happened. That's a huge error.
Yeah.
At least it's not the any of the PA accounts that they're marking that off on.
Still, I mean, that's like, what the fuck?
Wow, look at that. Look at that move. That's explosive.
Well, the bot killed it for the day. I can turn that off. Let's do some manual trading. Oh man, I just missed a trade. How many contracts you trading?
1s and 2s because I'm copy trading, but now I'm flustered because of that error. That's occupying my brain.
Yeah. Man, we're going to the moon, ain't we?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna say it again. I think if we close the day up here, I think tomorrow we dump. Could be wrong, but every time I see a Friday up here, we dump.
Canvas.
Out of the past 3 Fridays, 2 dumped, 1 went to the moon. If we're at the high, we dump. If we're at the low, we go to the moon.
Well, Butters was hoping to see some weakness, but we're exploding higher here. That's a parabolic move. Number one. Number two. ES is quite a bit stronger than NQ. There's no SMC, DMT, or whatever they call it, but definitely ES is stronger. NQ had a hard time getting over the two highs over here. ES didn't. ES flew through it much earlier.
Took ES off my chart.
There we go. So there are session breaks over here. So do you also have session breaks? Let's mark them in settings. Canvas, session breaks. Okay. So then we should have it here somewhere. Perfect.
I don't know. I don't see where you're saying ES is stronger.
Give me a sec.
On the hourly,
relatively
on the hourly,
speaking,
both the charts look about the same.
No, they well, look, no, I'm just saying the extension. Look at the extension from the previous highs. You see on my chart over here from the high at 11 o'clock last night, and then from the high that came in at 3.
Yeah.
The extension, how far away it is.
Yeah.
It's not as far. We didn't extend as much, and actually, it's just this candle that broke through, but ES broke through 3 candles ago. So ES broke through 15 minutes ago. We just broke through about 4 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago. And the extension is farther on, but there's no divergence for my son. Like you said, we don't check the length of the extension. It's just whether or not it broke. They both broke, so they're all good. And once again, we took out the pre-market highs and just exploded higher. Those pre-market highs, I got to start watching them better.
Mm-hmm.
When we break them, market really seems to react off that level. And it's not something that people are really watching.
We're also pushing into I got a volume profile drawn for this range we've been in since, what is this, Tuesday, September 16th. And we're pushing up to the value area high. And we have a resistance up here, 25,204. So we might see a bit of a reversal coming. Although I'm not interested in a reversal. Not of that kind. But if we get a pullback to the 25,128, would maybe like to take a long.
Okay, so watching gold, watching NQ. Stupid NQ with that, or not stupid NQ, that stupid position bracket. I have nobody to call to find out how to get rid of that. Wow, we're just going and going and going. It's an Energizer bunny day.
I don't know if I told you or not, but something happened with my Ninja Trader. Like every candle type was corrupt. Like not only was like indicators corrupt, but chart candles was corrupt. There was all kinds of corruption in Ninja Trader. I think it was that update. Saw a video and the guy was talking about people were having issues with the way the candles were plotting in the new update.
Okay.
I think Ninja Trader knew that, and they could have told me that. They chose not to. think I have an old version now. I don't think I'm gonna update for a while. Yeah, I'm on an older version. Supposedly they added a lot of cool stuff in the new version, the update. But if you're gonna have so many issues, it ain't worth it. You ain't taking this.
Yep.
You ain't taking this reversal trade, are you?
Don't look at my charts.
Telling you, I saw this video from 9 months ago, man, and you swore.
I didn't. I just had my hand on the. I just had my hand on the mouse. That's it. I wasn't gonna click, but you're right. Stay away. Stay away.
You do whatever you got to do. Just make sure you're accepting the consequences.
Yeah. Well, I'm still trying to get in at better prices. That's important. And I'm really respecting my stop loss. So my account grows. And I was going to say before what Mike's said, and I've been working on those numbers. And I told you when I opened up the day traders account here for the gold trading, $100 to $200 a day. That's going to be my target per the account, trading 1s and 2 lots. And I think I can do it. But and now that's really on my mind. Just don't let the market take money from you. Just don't let the market get out. Take your quick stop loss. Keep your losses small. Like I'm just saying that over and over again. So I'm playing very defensive, which is good. Yeah. And yesterday I opened up my drawer in my room and I had some notes, and in huge bold lettering, don't get in early, don't get in late.
Well, I mean, we're in a market now where 2 micros, I mean, you can make decent money.
Yeah, but I got to get a better price. If you look at my chart now on gold, I always got to get a better price. When a new bar forms, I can't pay above it. I got to pay inside it. That's, so I got to wait for the bar to form. I got to wait for the, come on, take me out. I got to wait for the bar to form. You pecker. Wait for the bar to form and then get a better price. And don't call it early either. As long as I do that, I'm going to do great. I don't like this. We were right there. I should have just clicked close position. Go reach out one more time.
Look at this right here. What am I trading? So this is trading 5 contracts. Well, an 8 contract on a scalp. And it's up 2 trades, almost $300. I mean, what more do you need?
I missed an NQ trade.
I mean, I really feel like people are trying to push single accounts too far.
There we go. Got in. Get out over here. Now you see how I improved my price to the bottom of the bar? That's fantastic.
Is that gold?
Gold, yeah. And I'm going to get stopped out. But see, I'm going to get stopped out for 1 bar, and now my TP is 2 bars. If I get stopped out.
Guy I was watching yesterday was talking about you don't lose trades, so you don't think of trades as losers. That's what I was saying before. It's the way I try to think about trading. I mean, you're getting into the market because you feel like you have a edge over the market, right?
Yeah.
And then when you no longer feel like you have an edge, you get out of the market, right? You're taking your chips off the table. You're saying, look, I don't have an edge here.
That's it.
Take my chips. This is not where I want to play, right? So it's not necessarily that you're losing. You're just saying, look, I don't have an edge. The edge is gone. Why would you try to hold that trade in hopes to win when you know you don't have the edge there?
Yeah.
Just take your chips off the table and be ready for the next one.
I like to think of it very often as poker. I don't know if you played poker, but yeah, when I did well in poker, I did not let them take my money. I didn't chase. If I had the hand, I played aggressive. But I didn't put money into the pot hoping for, what do they call it? I forgot already. It's been so long since I haven't. Open for, didn't chase the cards. Open to hit a card. There's a word for it. I forgot what it's called. Someone just texted me. It's probably Alex telling me what it's called. No, it's not. Wow, it's crazy how when you get older, you forget everything. Watching the 5 minute for an inside bar.
I don't got it.
Huh?
NQ or MNQ?
MNQ. I don't see an inside bar just yet. And I'm looking on ES also. On the 5 minute.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I don't see an inside bar.
Yeah, no, I'm saying I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it.
Oh, you're going to trade? You're looking for that maybe. First inside bar?
Yeah. But the other thing that I do also is that the chart is a Heiken Ashi chart. So the inside bar is a little bit different.
Well, that reminds me, I set up the oh shit, I'm on that chart. I'm on the wrong chart. I set up the 1 minute Heiken Ashi. Man, go back to yesterday and just look at the 1 minute Heiken Ashi. Well, yours is different, right? You're not on NinjaTrader?
No, I'm on TradingView. Yeah, it's definitely different.
Wish I could show you this chart. I mean, just trading different. the Heiken Ashi 1 minute chart yesterday was just crazy. Wish every day would be like that. We'd be rich. We'd be riding in Lambos.
Mm-hmm. Push higher.
Yeah, literally from the open all the way to lunchtime, you just buying the changes in the Heiken Ashi.
Mm-hmm.
Freaking killing it.
I like Heiken Ashi. It's not infallible, but it gives you good setups.
Oh yeah, I guess I also gotta say that I have the super trend on it also.
Mm.
So it filters out a little bit better.
Up 74.
Mouse is trying to freeze up.
Now, you know what, guys? You know, there are some people that said just focus on one strategy, and you get really good about it. Don't be a jack of all trades. And as you know, I'm always curious, and I always want to learn something of trend lines and ICT and what Omnius is doing and how Joker's doing it. Mike Stunts is doing it. You know, I got my fingers in all the pies. Yeah, I trade my main system, but I'm still always curious. I want to learn. But the more I'm just really focusing on the Renkos, I'm sorry to say, this is some pretty fucking easy trading. It really is. I don't want to, get too excited, because last time I got too excited and I had a really bad day. But I'm really saying when it's done right, with patience, it's killer. Really, it is. The only issue, the trades are short. And I'm worried that one of the firms are going to tell me your trades are too short. Because not a lot of trades last long. And you know why that's a problem for them, eh? Because they say they can't copy your trades.
Exactly. Well, that's what it's all about anyways. They're getting your data. I know I said it before. If we stop paying for prop firms, they start giving them to us for free.
Mm.
Oh, man, my volume Heiken Ashi chart's been killing it today, too.
Oh, yeah, I had it up. Actually called a short at 25,150, but I didn't want to take it because everything else is so strong. So I'm not taking.
Oh, this was the I missed it. This was the long I was looking for.
I'm not taking an ultra short term signal when everything else is saying.
We're at open range, ain't we? Where's the open range? I don't have it.
No, I got open range showing at
That 128.
25,092 about.
092.
You're talking about the 15-minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, the high of the 15-minute. The close at 9:45 was 25,091. That was the high.
Really?
I mean, if I look at my 1-minute chart, 9:05. Oh, this is a 5-minute chart. 9:40, 9:45, 25,092. Same on Project X or TradingView. Really? You have a
1
different?
minute. I don't know. Am I looking at it wrong? Yeah, I got 25, 122.
That's odd. That's oddly odd.
That's on the 1 minute chart. 945, yeah.
Oh.
25, 122. Bouncing off of it, just bounced off of it perfectly.
Are you sure you're on Z25, not H26? Which is March 26th for next year. Why are you laughing? It's possible.
On TradingView, you go by the MNQ1.
Okay.
It's a continuous contract.
I gotcha. It's TradingView. Wow, that's really weird. It's almost discouraging that it's so different.
What do I have it on NinjaTrader? Same thing. I mean, yours is wrong.
No, I got it on NinjaTrader too.
No, you don't.
MNQ.
Yeah, it's 25, 122.
9:45, 43, 44, 43, 44, 45.
Yeah.
2. Well,
Just bounced off of it.
on this chart, 25,095.
What?
Yep. And that's only because I have it condensed. Every chart, I'm looking at the 400 volume, the Ninzarenko 2010.
All right, chat. Y'all going to have to help us out. Where's open range, chat? 945, open range high. What you got?
I think you're including the 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle. I bet that's what you're doing.
I'm on a volume chart and a 1 minute chart. I'm going to look at the Renko chart.
Let me go to 9:45. Well, if I look at the 9:45, 950 candle, it closed at around 25,138.
Oh man, my mouse is screwing up. I wonder if it's something with NinjaTrader. I move it to the other screen, it works fine. Go back to the NinjaTrader, like freezes up.
So yeah, chat, if you're there, anybody, what did the 9:45 candle close at? On your 1 minute chart.
It's weird, my mouse ain't working on the left screen, but it works on the right screen. Okay, I don't know if I can trade.
Mm, 25,092. The 1 minute candle closed at 25,092 on this.
What?
I just checked the 1 minute chart. The candle closed at 25,092.
Where the heck is 25?
25,092.
So I got the 944 candle there.
Yeah.
You're a candle behind.
No. TradingView, the candles, if you're on the 945 candle, that's 945 to 946.
All right, look, right now I'm on 1011, right? On my computer, it's 1011. 3 seconds, we get 1012.
Right. Your 10-11
One.
candle is 10-11
Okay,
till
now
10-12.
it's 10-12. So this is the 12. You got to wait for the 5 to close. The
No,
15
because
to
it's
close.
10-12. No, that your candle is showing 10-12, but it's not the I don't know, it depends. Does your 15-minute opening range close at 16 minutes? Because the 10-12 candle is going to close at 10-12 in 59 seconds.
Maybe you're right.
You need the 44 candle, because the 44 candle closes at 10:40 at 9:44 and 59.999 seconds. That's when it closes. And then the 45 candle opens at 45.00001. That's already after 10:40, after 9:45.
So you're saying we don't include the 9:45?
Not on TradingView. On NinjaTrader you do, because NinjaTrader is the only platform that does it different. Their candle, the timestamp on their candle is when the candle closes.
I think they fixed that. I don't think it does that anymore.
The only ones who did that, stupid idiots.
But I think they changed that. I don't think it does that anymore. I think that's what screwed me up before.
Yeah.
Because now on NinjaTrader, I got the 1013. It's 1013 now.
Like, did none of them ever look at a trading platform on anybody else? Did they not notice that everybody's trading platform?
Maybe that's what's got me screwed up then. I do see the 15-minute candle. I guess that first 15-minute ended at the 092. Plus, like I said, I don't have my indicator. So pretty much every custom indicator or downloaded indicator, I got to re-put on my chart.
Mm.
I was so mad yesterday. You know what indicator I didn't have? My moving average indicator. Like, out of all the indicators, I'm mad about the moving average.
It's a basic indicator. Oh, shit.
Well, no, because mine's a downloaded one. I got the MA moving average.
Okay.
It draws a cloud in between.
Yeah, I like it.
If I didn't have it. I was so upset. I was like, I need my moving averages.
Hmm.
Like, never mind that I lost every other custom indicator I spent God knows how long working on.
See, now you have to rebuild them. And that's why.
No. Hold on. Cut you off. I got them back. We're good.
Well, I was just going to justify you selling an indicator package.
Oh.
All
I
that
need
work.
I need to. I see all these other people selling indicators, and it's like...
Indicator package. Sounds fancier. It's a package.
Yeah. I don't know. I probably wouldn't sell a package, so I'd probably do, like... create an indicator package and be like, well, as long as you're part of Discord, you can have it or something.
Yeah. Well, she was like that also. For forever, eh?
Yeah. I guess now she's selling it.
I used to have some of her disclaimers and stuff. I will never ask you for money. I never sell anything. And, well, it's the natural progression, to be honest with you.
I mean, I don't blame her for selling.
Nice.
I don't blame her for selling a package. She's right. You do got to put a lot of work into it. But what I do blame is...
works for free. I mean, not everything is a labor of love, eh?
What I do blame is that I feel like this amazing indicator package is really just basic stuff.
Mm.
I mean, I look at it and you got like she calls it like a live wire line. I'm like, yeah, it's called a super trend.
But you have to make it sound fancy. Consequent encroachment. You think there's... It's not a coincidence that he called it consequent encroachment. It sounds like an engineer developed.
Then she has like the live wire Renkos. I'm like, yeah, they're called Ninja Renkos. Like everything's like they basically just
repurposed with a new name.
Yeah, you basically just take the code for an Enzarenko and change the name of it. And
Well, you've done the same thing. Let me explain. The other day I said I was going to go for McDonald's. I was going to have a Big Mac, and you renamed it a Rubber Burger.
yeah.
And I don't enjoy it as much since then, just to let you
I've
know.
always called them rubber burgers.
Just to let you know, I don't enjoy it since then as much. I swear to God, the other day my wife, you want McDonald's? I'm going to go get McDonald's. A Rubber Burger? I said that to her.
I used to work with this guy, and he loved Burger King.
I do, too.
I'm like, the rubber burgers? He's like, man, they're the best burgers around. I'm like, wait, are you talking about Burger King?
They are flame broiled.
And he's telling me like how he sets up his burgers, like they're all like custom burger at Burger King.
Yeah.
Like, who the hell goes to Burger King to get a custom hamburger?
What's a custom hamburger? You put on your burger what you want.
Oh no, man, this guy had he had it all down, right? You like order like a Whopper or something, but you take this off and put this on and this on.
Yeah.
I think they even have like secret hamburgers they don't tell you about.
It's just nonsense. It's just putting on what you want. We had a couple of pizza places open up over here. I swear to God, the nerve of them. Hold on, I have an entry here. I'm going to get in. It's 56.
A lot of those fast food chains, they have hidden items.
Yeah, like at McDonald's, you can get Big Mac sauce in a little container.
Yeah. I think it was Burger King for a while. Also, you could order like a certain amount of chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
But if you, I think it's like a 20 piece or something. But if you got 2 10 pieces, it was like twice the price.
Oh, yeah.
So why didn't y'all tell me I could just get a 20 piece? Then they have like certain like burgers or something that's not on the menu. This guy was all about, I think it was the Whopper. It was like some custom way to make the Whopper. Best burger you'll ever have. Like, are you serious? Like, you ever tried a real hamburger?
Maybe puts jalapeno sauce on it.
I'm like, look, for the price of a Whopper, you can go to Chili's, man, and get you a real hamburger, some real French fries, a soup or a salad, and a drink.
Soup and a salad
For $10.
all that for $99.99.
That's like $10.
Limited time offer.
And then they had it where they were throwing in chips as well.
Oh,
Like, fuck, you get a bag of chips too?
I thought they were throwing in a hooker.
Like, and y'all eating rubber burgers
For $99.99. Who we talking about? Where do we get chips?
TikTok was trying to play a video over top of you.
Oh, yeah, bastards.
Hey, when they like send you a notification, you go on there and she starts playing a video.
Hey, what happened? Oh, I have a trade here. Let me try and take it for
I'm gonna step away for a second.
2 lot.
If I'm not back in 2 minutes, you know what to do.
Yep, call the police.
Wait, don't call the
Wait 2 more
police. I don't want to get
minutes.
shot.
Yeah. Wait 2 more minutes. Don't take 20 minutes like me. Oh shit, I got out. Why did I get out? 88. If I can get in 88, I'm 92. That's 4 points better. That's a good trade. Let's see if we can get 81 on this. Let's put in a bid. Buy limit, 81 3/4. And put my finger on the close button. Close. We got stopped out. That sucks. Okay, we take our losses. We take our losses. Gold, I'm not going to take. It looks like it's trying to bounce here 3 times on the same place. NQ, I got on my fast charts. One is short, one is long. We wait. We wait for them to consolidate. Trade less, take better trades. That's what I'm trying to get into my brain. Play the broken slot machines. Don't need to overtrade. Taking 3 mediocre trades doesn't do anything for me. And oh, we just got so close to actually both of them going long. Short on the screen you're looking at, bottom right, that Renko short, still under the bands. But I have some faster ones that I watch, and those are below the bands. Well, one's below the bands, one's above the bands, and one is, now the other one is above the band also. So we have a potential reversal here. This is what Omnius likes to call a bull flag. Okay, let's watch this. Let's see if we get above that. We are above. We are above. Even on the Renko that I watch, we're above. We got above the bands. Everything now is saying bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Like bye, see you later, or bye like
Bye, bye.
like bye.
Bye, bye. What's that song? No. I don't know. I'm not gonna sing it.
That bye,
No,
baby,
long.
bye.
I don't know. Long. Yes, long. Everything's switched over to long now. Long. Ultra short term, and even kind of mid-intermediate term is all long now. What is the 5 minute? The 5 minute is long too.
Nightbot says, if you're chasing, you're a jack. Let the trade come to you.
Yeah, you're a jackass. I just didn't want to write jackass. I'm trying to keep my channel clean. Cleanish.
I like clean. What was that?
Pop, eh? Bye.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my mouse keeps going in and out. I don't know. I don't know how to fix that issue.
The port. You ever think about that? The actual port on your computer? Because if it's wireless or wired, you're plugging in a USB. Is your USB screwing up?
It works fine on the wired mouse. I think it's got to be something with the driver for the wireless mouse.
Because I will tell you, I don't know if you know about it or gone through it. My USB powers down. It goes into power saving mode, and I can't stop it on my computer. So my hard drive, when I connect, and remember I told you, all my data, everything is on an external drive. I don't put any data or any files on my hard drive on my computer. So if ever ransomware hits me, I can just reformat my hard drive and reinstall all my applications. I don't care. Yeah. Except for NinjaTrader. Actually, it's true. NinjaTrader, all the apps and everything, all the bots I created and indicators are on my hard drive. But pretty much all my work is on the external. Yeah, it shuts down. If I leave it plugged in after about 6-7 hours, I can't access it anymore. It's dead, even though it's plugged in. And,
so I was doing that. I did that same thing before years ago, and my hard drive actually went out. The external hard drive, and lost everything.
Oh, really? I thought you just reboot or whatever.
No,
yeah, nope. I have to reboot.
Hard drive went out. They go out, and just lost everything.
Oh.
And
well, for forever
at the time, it was an expensive external hard drive,
yeah. And it was probably big too. I mean in size, in physical size, not in storage.
It was super big. You know, they were like
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it was like a little tower, but
now they're like tiny little cigarette packs.
yeah. But yeah, I just went out and I called all kinds of people trying to figure out what to do, and they're like, "Oh man, it's gone."
Yeah.
And I called the company, and they're like, "Oh, we can send it to a clean room to have them extract your data." I'm like, "Yeah, okay, we should have started there. Let's do it." And they're like, they told me the price, and I was like, "Are you out your freaking mind?"
Yeah. Probably not a lot of people using those services. That's why.
You got to have something on there you really want.
Yeah.
Let's just say it costs way more than the cost of the hard drive.
Oof, but
nope. Basically, it was trash. Throw it away. Lost everything.
For a while, I was backing up my external onto another external, but I stopped that process. Now you just made me think maybe I should do that, because we got pretty much everything on that drive. So thank you for reminding me.
Got another one's right there. I just got to hook it up. I had it on a computer before, and I used to download a bunch of stuff. I think I was telling you before. And I think some of the files are corrupted. I just want to try not to have like any kind of sketchy stuff on my computers nowadays.
Yeah.
I mean, before I was watching movies and whatever other bootleg stuff. Nowadays, it's more with finance and stuff, so you really don't want those corruption on the computer. You know what I mean? But what I got a bunch of pictures on there. I want to go through and like save all the pictures, but delete everything else. I don't want to just have it actively hooked up to my computer so I can get in there and delete a bunch of stuff. Yeah, you got little flash drives nowadays. Look at this. What you got? Wife's got one of these little things. What, 16 gigs?
Yeah, I have a bunch of those, but now I can't back up my data on.
I know, but I'm just saying, like,
gig. Yeah.
I remember when computers were like 20 gigs.
Yep. Forget about it. Even less.
Yeah.
I think I remember it originally. Wasn't it 4 meg? Like they called it the 1, the 2, the 3. I forgot even the language now. Whoa, fuck off.
I don't remember, but we used to have an old Commodore 64. And I don't think you could save anything.
Yeah, we worked on floppies.
Yeah, I had a floppy thing, and I think my older brother had like a flight simulator game. They like, and you basically had to type it in. Like, instead of buying a disc, you bought a book with code, and you had to type in all the code.
Yeah.
Wonder how many kids be playing video games nowadays if you had to type in the code.
What happened?
Now we're getting along.
Yes. See, motherfucker.
How did you know?
I tried to get in at 47, and instead it was the other fucking chart. Call this. It was gold. There's 47. There's my 47.
That's why I can't have a bunch of other stuff on my chart.
No, it's because of this one doesn't change the symbol. NQ does. NQ, you click the chart, the symbol changes. This one, I have to change order panels.
Worried I'm going to get into a trade and my mouse is going to freeze.
And it wouldn't be so bad if I could fit 2 order panels, but they don't have a way to compress it in any intelligent way. Really, really, really poor. Maybe I should put up another order panel, someone on the other side. I think that's what I'm going to do. 1 order panel for gold. Thanks for saying. Good suggestion. Thank you. There we go. Another order panel. Just like that. And that will allow me to squeeze this one like that.
What you squeezing?
I'll fix my chart. Squeezing the order panels. Now I'm going to have 2 order panels, one on the left, one on the right. And it'll be all hunky-dory. Let me get rid of this. There we go. Bathroom break.
Hey, my name's Mike. Oh, I'm Mike. Look at me. Let's see. What's something that Mike says? I got to, oh, A. It's going to go up, A. Pushing A. Almost there, eh? Not a very good Mike impersonator, I guess. Still trying to push. Hey, he's back. You got to turn your microphone on, buddy. Microphone. You have to turn your microphone on.
Mute.
I was trying to do my best Mike impression. When you left, it put me down the mic, so I was Mike for a few minutes.
Why would they do that? Why would they move you? They can't just leave you where you are. I go out. They can just put my little avatar, my little circle right where I am. No, they have to move you to the top. That's what I was saying when my mic was off. What's the logic in that?
So I was trying to do my best Mike impressions. I was like, hey, we're going up, eh?
We're going up, eh?
We're pushing now, eh?
You didn't ask why I was at the doctor for 3 hours.
Well, you was at the doctor for 3 hours? Oh, yesterday?
3 hours. Why I got back at 3. I got up at 7.
Why'd you get back at 3?
Fucking guy got his finger stuck in the during the prostate exam.
Oh my god.
Fire department had to come.
Oh my god. I figured it had something to do with that too. I was like, he didn't use enough lube. You were clenching too tight. You like clenched on his finger.
It made the news.
They had to get the fire department out there and
everything.
3 guys trying to pull them out, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Then they finally pulled them out.
It's not pull, it's push.
Doc was like, push. You were like, pull. Then they finally got him out, right? And there was this big let one out.
Yeah.
Knocked out the whole room.
Yeah, they're colonoscopies. They tell you to do that.
Then you got up and you're like, man, I feel so much better.
Can you push out? Can you push out a fart? No, I can't. You're here. You got 3 girls working in the room too. I can't push out a fart. My brain won't let me. Try, squeeze. I am. The more I squeeze.
Isn't it funny how they do stuff like that and they always have these young girls in there?
I did a long time ago because I had a problem and I did something that was called a virtual colonoscopy. It's a scan, but instead of them putting in the camera, physically. But I go in, I get undressed, you're just in your little blue robe, you're naked underneath, lie on your side. Then she goes, do you mind if 3 students come in to watch? I go, okay, no, I don't mind. I swear to God, I was in my 20s or late 20s, maybe early 30s. It was 3 very attractive young girls. Are you fucking kidding me? Really? They want to see a close-up of my hairy ass as they're sticking a tube in it? Okay, well, this time they stuck a camera in it because it was a virtual, but, like, serious.
Wait, what were they doing?
It's called a virtual colonoscopy.
In your 20s?
Late 20s, or, yeah, I had serious bowel problems, so they were looking for stuff. It got determined to be stress.
Yeah, when I had a surgery, they had all these young nurses coming in there checking on my wiener. What kind of hospital is this?
Yeah, you probably had a catheter or something.
Yeah.
My dad had that also from one of his surgeries.
I think there was 3 of them. They was taking shifts. I'm like, damn.
Yeah. Not my dad's catheter got blocked. Holy shit, did he get in pain?
Like, oh, we gotta rub this down there. Like, you rubbing what on my wiener?
Did you ask my wife?
She was there, yeah. I mean, that's the hindsight story. The actual story was I was very irate and in pain and not a nice person.
Well, pain will do that.
I think I was telling you before, they couldn't get my pain under control.
Yeah.
The doctor was a young guy, and they tell the young doctors now to don't give them pain medicine. You go in there, they're like, we don't want you to be in pain. Just let us know. We want you to be comfortable. Then you get out the surgery, and they're like, oh, we can't give you no more pain medicine. You serious? I come out the surgery yelling and cussing at him. I wouldn't stop. My wife's like, well, he's awake. Guess he didn't die. Yelling through the entire hospital.
Okay, I missed a couple of trades, but no big deal. Where am I at? I'm at 101 on day traders. I'm at 79 on 6 accounts on Bulenox. Wow, that's nauseating. So now I got to call Bulenox and I got to use their API.
Oh, God, yeah.
And figure out why 6 of my accounts suddenly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 accounts were active at 9:30 and at 9:45 without trades. They became ineligible.
There was one. Check. Check. No, my mic's fucking up. All right, got it.
No, it seems good.
It was coming back for me. I couldn't hear it. There was one point when one of the nurses was like late an hour on pain medicine. I was like yelling and cussing. Then my wife started getting on to him.
Oh, yeah. Sir, you're not the only patient that I have to take care of. Which is true.
Yeah, that's basically, she said that they had an issue with another patient and she's sorry she's running behind. Thought my wife was going to jump on her.
The thing is, for us in our mind, we say, shit, how hard is it just to open a bottle or pull out a syringe and give me an injection if that's the case, Like it's 2 seconds, but it's not. Often they have to go and file a report, get the doctor's approval, get the meds, it's like, it's 20 minutes for them. What's like, for us in our mind, it's like 1 second.
Well, I think the problem is she was like an hour late.
Yeah.
And yeah, she had there was an issue, everything. But I think the issue was when it was brought up that, hey, this medicine was supposed to be taken at this time, and you're on a time limit, so you can't take the next medicine until a certain amount of time after you take that one. So when you're an hour behind, now everything's an hour behind. And when you're trying to keep pain under control, the more you're in pain, the harder it is to get it back under control.
Yeah.
And I think the issue was when my wife said something to her, she just kind of brushed her off. She's like, oh, okay, yeah. And
it's not an easy job, though. We do have
right. It wasn't like, oh, I'm sorry, we had these issues and stuff. in the beginning, it was like, oh, okay, yeah. But yeah, they have hard jobs.
Thing is, they always err on the side of of caution. You know,
Could
I
you
went
imagine
in.
having? Go ahead.
I was going to say, I fell and I smashed my back. I was in more pain than I ever had in my life. It's a screaming pain, like someone's jabbing a knife, and I'm not a complainer. I'm a guy that puts a piece of wood in his mouth and bites down and doesn't make noise. That's how I've lived my life, and that's how I almost expect people to. And I was screaming at the top of my lungs. Anyways, they had to do scans, but there's no way. They couldn't just put me straight. So they were giving me morphine, but they give me like these little doses, like the minimum. Guys, I'm 260 pounds. You can't give me the minimum. What you get, you're giving me the same thing you give a man that's 140 pounds. Anyways, finally, some doctor came in and said something. I don't even know what. Give him blah, 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 blah. And they gave me, I guess, the elephant dose. Instant. All the pain went away. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I was completely pain-free. Instantly. Okay, maybe 30 seconds, a minute, memory, I don't remember, but it was fast. There you go. That's the dose. Let me know how much you gave me so I know for future reference.
Yeah, right. I understand they don't want to give you too much morphine because it's highly addictive.
Ah, come on, not in the hospital.
Oh, it can be, but there's other things they can do. They can, like with me, they had me on morphine, Oxycontins, and Percocets.
Okay.
So like every 2 hours, I was switching drugs.
Yeah. Well, that's some pain. Again, back. Was that a back issue for you too?
They cut out some of my organs.
Okay. Well.
Not really a back or a front, it's just kind of like an inside issue. They're just like digging around, right? Like Dr. Frankenstein. Hey, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this.
Mm. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. That's tough. That's tough. I need a surgery, a pretty serious one, and I'm refusing to take it because I worry once they go in. I know every time a car mechanic touches my car, something else breaks.
Exactly.
I don't think they're going to put Humpty Dumpty back together again properly. So for now, I'm stalling.
Well, I think you just got to find out, like, what's the pros, what's the cons.
Mm-hmm.
Find you a decent doctor that you like. That's the hard thing, is finding a good, confident doctor.
Yeah.
If I ever have another surgery, one of my questions is going to be, and I might even tell them I want it in writing, like,
Right.
are you gonna give me drugs or not? Like, if you're one of those doctors that don't want to give somebody drugs, then I'll go somewhere else. Like, I don't need this shit.
Mm.
This is fucking up.
Well, I can tell you another story. I went in for COVID.
Could see a long trade here.
Yeah, I just missed one.
Yeah.
Because my fucking moving averages, the price is on the price scale, and I couldn't see the price, and I'm trying for a better price.
I was going to take the trade there. My mouse keeps freezing.
So I came in to the hospital with a gym bag. I had change of clothes. I had my shavers and everything, towels. But underneath all that, I had my own meds, everything. You know what? I'm going to rely on you guys. I had my meds to help me sleep. I had my meds for headaches. I had everything. Say, I'm not going to rely on you guys. I want an Advil. Really? I got to justify it? Screw you. I want to take a Gravol to help me sleep. I'm not going to ask. I'm just going to take. So I had all kinds of stuff. I had other stuff too. I don't remember what it was. I was laughing. Yeah.
I don't know about
No,
I don't know about
I don't
there,
remember.
but in the States, you want to Advil, it might cost you a couple $100.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like the theater. They say no food and drink allowed from outside this premises. They tell you no medicine
much.
allowed from outside the premises.
Pretty much, yeah.
But
And,
I'll suffer at that point. How's your head? Well, it's good.
I mean, it hurts, but not like $300 worth.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah. So my wife went to the emergency room one time for something. They looked at her for like 5 minutes, sent her home, and charged her like $1,200.
Oh my God. Yeah, well, we were thinking about moving to the States, and everyone said you need medical insurance. I don't remember what they said. I don't know, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 a person. I think in the end it was around 4,000 or 5,000 a person that I was told. I said I figured for my family of 5 at the time it was going to be around 20 grand for decent coverage. Does that make sense?
So hold on. That was after the insurance.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah.
Was that the deductible maybe? Is that how it works? Here we have something called deductible. You pay that first amount. So you choose your deductible, 500, 200, 1,000, whatever it is you choose, and the higher you go, the less you kind of sort of pay. But fuck, in the medical world, there is no small bill. So it's not like car insurance where you can have, anyways, whatever it is, the deductible should never be small. Should never be big anyways. Doesn't save you that much on the insurance, and when you need it, you end up paying an amount. What for? My wife's going to Florida now. Her medical insurance for the 4 days, $26. But if she wants a deductible of $5,000, it goes down to $21. Really? For $5, I'm gonna put a $5,000 deductible to save $5? Seriously?
She had to buy health insurance to go into the States?
We always buy, just in case. I don't want any.
How do you even buy it?
Blue Cross? I don't know if you have
You
that
gotta
there.
call them up and tell them you're going on vacation?
Yeah, going into the U.S. and
Really? Never heard that before.
cover me for $5 million.
Really?
In case something happens. That way we don't have to sell our home to pay the doctor who put a cast on her broken arm.
I mean, really, would you have to? You're in the U.S., right? I just go to the emergency room, have it done, and then go back to Canada.
Yeah,
They're going to come
I don't want to
chasing your credit score in Canada?
I don't want to take the chance.
I don't know. Really, Canada's basically a state at this point anyways. I think, what is it, like driver's license? You can have a Canadian driver's license
Yeah.
in the States. And
Well, I think that's the international one. I'm not sure Canadian. Not sure. Can't tell you. You'd have to ask James. He doesn't show up much, but he used to do some driving in the U.S.
seen one video with this guy with sports cars, and he got pulled over, and the cop didn't know. The cop's like, "You need a U.S. driver's license." It's like, "No, I don't. I have a Canadian one." And the cop's like, "Well, this ain't Canada. This is the U.S."
Yeah.
And he's like, "Do you really not know how to do your job?" I mean, it was funny. He's like, "Look, Canadian driver's license works here too. Call
It
a
does.
supervisor. Call a
Yes, it does.
supervisor. Let's get this figured out."
I'll tell you it does, because we used to drive to Florida all the time. We didn't apply for an international.
So why Florida? What do y'all do in Florida?
Well, we used to go when we were young. We used to go to Fort Lauderdale or Miami Beach, and we were a family. We went with our uncles and our cousins and stuff. We had fun. Well, it was a beach,
Yeah.
We used to go every year. When I got older, I used to go to Fort Lauderdale with my brother in the 20s. And now my wife's never been there. She's going with her friends, checking it out. But it's okay. They're gonna have fun. The girl
Why you
has
didn't
a
go with
condo. Oh no, it's just a girl trip. 5 girls. So one of them has a condo in Hollywood, and they're gonna go out in Miami. It's not far. I'm guessing from what I remember, Hollywood and Miami are not too far away. Actually, it's true. I never went from Hollywood to Miami. I went from Fort Lauderdale to Hollywood. That wasn't far. I never went from Hollywood to Miami. But they look about the same distance. It's not far. Anyways, she'll go. She'll have fun with her friends. I'll have some peace and quiet in the house for a few days.
That's what you're looking for. You want me to ruin my chance of peace and quiet? You crazy?
I'll get some work done. You did hear,
That's why.
right? All your suggestions that I try in the game.
Yeah.
They're extremely difficult to implement.
Some people are always so difficult.
The power peg, forget it. That was just screwing up the game every time. Serious. I lost way too much time. I said ditch it. And I keep last known working versions, so it's no big deal. I go back. But the 2-board, I did a mock-up of the 2-board game, and then GPT kind of created me one, which wasn't working properly, but it kind of was working. That's a really cool game. When you go in the goal and you appear on the other board, and you're kind of alone, and the other ones, come on, I want to get in the goal, I want to get on that second board, because the other guy's alone now, working his way towards the final goal. That's a good one, but everything was working, except the walls between the 2 boards weren't working all the time. So if a ball went fast, it would go sideways from one board into the other.
Oh, wow.
So I spent a lot of hours trying to reinforce the walls. Because it's working on physics, but it only takes a snapshot, let's say 30 times a second. So if your ball goes the distance, goes far enough in that 1/30th of a second where it travels through both walls, it doesn't pick up that it hit a wall. So you got to work with the math there's so many things. There's velocity and angle, and because it's working with the physics engine from JavaScript, or I don't know, I think it's from JavaScript.
Hey, real
but
quick.
anyways, we got it.
Could be the start of a dump right here.
Yeah, maybe. I'm watching.
What about the like the goal idea? You put a goal in the middle, but instead of a goal, it's like a stop loss or whatever, and you hit it and you got to start over. Kind of like a trap goal.
Yeah, I like that. Snakes and ladders. Yeah, I'll put that one in too. That one should be easy.
Call it like a stop loss or something. You hit your stop loss. You start back over.
I like it. I got to write that down.
I think I sent it to you, and I sent you like a couple suggestions in Discord, I think.
Yeah. You did. I didn't. If you put one about the stop loss, I didn't get it. I didn't understand it. There was some of the things that you wrote I understood. Some of the things you wrote I didn't kind of wrap my head around.
Let's see what I write. Could do a trap goal in the middle of each level. If it hits the trap goal, you start over. Reset account. Oh, that's what it was. Reset account.
Okay, yeah. So I wouldn't get what that is.
Like the prop firms. You lose your account, you got to reset.
Okay. Yeah. No, that's good. Actually, you know what? And we can even pop up a message.
Or it could call it a stop loss. Either one sounds good.
Account blown. Reset. Free
Maybe
reset.
maybe on level 1 it's a stop loss, and on level 2 it's a
It's
reset.
account blown. Yeah.
And then the other one about the daily games or whatever.
Yeah, no, definitely. That's a good idea. Stretch it out. Get the extra ball. I like it. MNQ, I have a long at 65. Let's see if I can get a better price. Click, click. It's already at 69. Not
We got
getting a
that
lot of
inside.
opportunities.
We got that inside bar you was looking for.
Yep. Not getting a lot of opportunities for better prices, but you know what? I have my day, so I'm happy. I'm happy with my day went. And you're gonna miss some trades. There we go, full target. I'm gonna miss some trades. Gold might trigger. Now I can switch over to gold. Oh yeah, it's true. My charts are off. I had to fix something. Preview projector while I watch gold.
Yeah, go through all my charts and put all the indicators back.
Okay, so that's good. And now let's do it on Bulenox. Now that I have a better idea how to work this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.
Guess that long worked out pretty good, huh?
Yep. It's too bad I didn't get into it, but
Kind of scared to take a trade right now. My mouse keeps freezing. On the side with the Ninja Trader. The other side works great. Isn't that weird? Works on one screen, not the other.
It is freaky weird.
Like, why can't we just have some consistency?
Oh, that's no good. You're in the wrong place. Doesn't matter. I'll just stretch it out. I'm not redoing my screen. Gold did a nice bounce too. I thought I was going to get a short in gold. Ah! Hey, Ruan hasn't shown up in a while. NQ might get a quick trade on NQ on the band bounce on the 400 volume. I'm actually going to take it here. Come on, let's push up to the other band.
I don't know. I might have to wind up buying a new mouse or something. Weird.
Nope, I have to get out. -11. Oh well.
There's always like a reset or something. Stupid mother beaches.
Don't give me a single bearish candle. I hate the singles. Yeah, and then make a big one, a big bullish candle. Come on, give me a bearish, I'll add to it. Push, okay, that's a bearish candle. Yeah, we broke higher, broke above its high. Yeah, we never know. Okay, we gave some back up. Let's give some back. That's fine. I went for a little bit bigger of a trade. This is there yet, right? It is. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get a hopefully I don't get the shitty sequence.
Okay, I tried a different USB port.
Well,
See
they
if
all
my
shut
mouse will
down.
work.
That's the thing. You got to check your settings if it's going to sleep.
I don't know what it's doing. There's still a bunch of things on my computer that's corrupt.
Okay.
Because whatever happened, I mean, it was in the middle of a restore, and it just like I guess it didn't work properly and kind of screwed up a bunch of stuff.
Because I'm telling you, GPT it. Say, my mouse stops working. Is it possible my USB port is going into hibernation or sleep mode or whatever? And you'll see that they do it. The only problem is, like I said, I couldn't find a way to fix it.
Keep in mind that I've been busy. First goal was get the computer to come on, right?
Yeah.
Second goal was to get NinjaTrader to work so that I could actually use the computer.
Yeah.
Actually, I guess NinjaTrader was the third goal. Second goal was going through making sure I had all the updates. And actually deleted my mouse and everything, reinstalled it. Did all the updates.
Yeah. Well, keep it in mind when you have a little bit of a little spare time.
And they're telling how much time I spent trying to get the computer to work. Like I said, I spent like 10 hours yesterday just on NinjaTrader. Pretty much quit trading around lunchtime, ate lunch, and worked on NinjaTrader until 10 o'clock at night.
Mm-hmm.
Basically had to keep going through files and importing files till one was corrupt. mark it down as corrupt, uninstall NinjaTrader, reset the computer, reinstall NinjaTrader. What a nightmare. And the first time, it took me forever just to figure out how to get back in the NinjaTrader. I guess you got to go in the settings and change the settings before you can do a prop firm. I've had NinjaTrader for so long, I forgot all about anything like that.
Yeah, I forget everything works.
Oh man, then it come on, it's like super white. Like I can't stand those bright screens. So I'm like trying to figure out what to do. Like my eyes are burning out. Then I was doing the restore on the NinjaTrader, and like brought back all my settings, but then it brought back corrupt files, so I had to go through one at a time and like on the restore parts and restore just one, see if it worked. Start over, restore another one, see if it worked. Big process of elimination.
Okay, come on, let's get a little bit of a push. Where's my push?
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us. Yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Oops. Didn't mean to do that, but it's okay.
What happened?
I hate the jackpot sound. It wasn't a jackpot, it was just a trade. It certainly didn't qualify as a jackpot trade, but it's okay. Very poor execution. I could have made a lot of money in this little pop here, but instead of doing what I'm supposed to be doing, I'm poorly executing.
Micromanaging?
No, I'm poorly executing. I'm not waiting for my entry. You know what? Because I missed a trade before, so then my entry price is high and I don't like it, and it goes down a little bit more, and so it comes back down to my entry. I got out, but then it went up to my take profit. A big mess. A big mess of poor trading, but wow, look on the NQ at the 5 minute, how we're just hanging around the initial balance high, eh? Just trading sideways.
Hey?
Aye.
That's just going sideways to me.
Yep.
I'm sorry. It's just going sideways to me. Hey?
Hey. Huh? Well, it sounds better than huh? Right?
Right?
Right.
I always think that's funny too.
That's what A means. Right? Maybe I'll trade the Apex.
Is that really what it means?
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
A-Y-E. Hey, but it means right. It's like asking for confirmation. Actually, it's also used for as what? You know? I got a hey? You know what? What the fuck did you say? It's multifunctional.
So it's like y'all's F word.
It seems like it's versatile. You can use it for whatever the fuck you want.
Go A yourself. Hey?
Go A yourself. Okay. Made a shitty little $30.
No, it's just sideways, man. You don't want to trade this?
I don't know. My charts are presenting the data in a way that you can take advantage of it. The entries are not at the top of the range. The entries are at the low of the range for the longs, and it's kind of working out. So
What chart? What chart? Run us through it.
I don't know if I can. You can see this one. I don't have the 400 volume on the screen, but this one here, this chart here on the Renko, it was going down and up and down and up and down and up. It was playing inside that Renko a lot of times, but the thing is, I was getting in, instead of getting in when it's down and then getting in out on the up, I was hesitating. So I was getting in close to the top, but it's still underneath the top of the Renko bar, so it's still kind of a valid entry, but
Oh, could be getting this dump, huh?
it was the wrong range.
Dump it. You dump it, dump it.
I needed to be playing the lower end of the bar, and
Give me a minute, be right back.
come on, push lower, you fucker. You know you want to. A bunch of single bars. 11:15 coin flip. I'm not
Kind of
sure.
weird. There ain't that many people hanging out today, eh?
Yeah.
Hey?
Did you say that by accident or on purpose?
I said on purpose.
Oh, because that was very natural.
I got to get my Canadian accent. How do y'all sound? Hey?
Hey, that was very
Kinda
natural.
weird. Kind of weird, eh?
There's no Mickey Mouse part to it. Okay, I'll take one more short. If it doesn't work out, I'm done. Yeah, we're going back up again. Every candle. It's 4 in a row on the 400 volume. One bearish candle. And then it turns green. The hell with it.
The hell with it.
It doesn't want to go. Today's not my day. I may cover. I'm down $2.64. Was up 15 on that one. It'll probably go down now. I should have counted 10, but maybe I'll take one more. Actually, once again, if I would just been strictly following my rules, less trades, better entries. At least I'll get paid a little bit. Come on, let's get 5 points on this. What am I short at 64.50? Let's get break 60.
Still trying to get the dump.
Something, just 5 points. Okay, I give up.
Like my mic sounds like it's muffled or something.
It's too jiggity. Too spastic. I had enough. I'm green now a little bit. Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything.
What if I turn this one off? Does that sound better? Got quieter, didn't it?
I don't know. It's good. Okay, I'm closing up. 11:17. I'm good.
Closing up.
Yeah. Oh, you want to stick around? But okay, I'll stick around till you leave. Leaving at 11:30. Yeah, I want to work on my code because I finally got the error fixed last night. I just didn't advance to adding more features, so I'm eager to now start adding the features. Plus that stop loss ball there, the stop loss thing.
Well, if you want to close up, close up.
That's
We'll talk in Discord for a few minutes.
If you're chasing it. Okay.
Then I'll probably get off the computer around 11:30ish, eat lunch, and I gotta go. Unless you want to go to my dentist appointment for me.
No, I'll leave that to you.
Oh man.
Guys, thanks for hanging out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:15 or earlier. And maybe tonight. Don't know. We'll see. No promises for tonight, but tomorrow 9:15 or earlier. Thanks again. Hit the like button if you haven't had a chance to yet. And see you soon. Bye.
Hey guys.
We're just waiting for the 2-finger salute.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Take care.